It's Dave at Peninsula Pressure Pros, and we're back with another wash. This time out here in Harvey off of M28. If you take a look behind me here, you can see that this homeowner has got a problem on their garage door. Over the winter, something happened. I'm not exactly sure, but motor oil got sprayed up all over that door. And obviously, white door, black motor oil, not a great look. That's okay, because today we're here to take care of it. The other issue this homeowner has is they replaced one panel on this garage door, this top panel here, and if you can see, it doesn't really match in color. That's whiter and brighter, brand new, and then these are the older panels. So the goal today is to get everything clean, matching that brand new panel and looking brand new itself. First thing we're going to do is treat that door with a very special chemical we mix up that is a seriously powerful degreaser. This isn't something you're buying off the shelf at a big box hardware store or local store. This is a industrial grade degreaser, and we're going to just kind of liquefy that oil right off. At least that's the goal. After that, what'll happen, we will hit it with a high pressure rinse and just blast off all the dirt and everything. In the meantime, we may need to do some manipulation with a stiff bristle brush. Try saying that 5 times fast. To kind of loosen that oil depending on how long it's been there. I'm not exactly sure. But either way, we're going to get it off and it's going to look brand new. Let's go. Well, how about that, huh? Some would say motor oil? Yeah, I say no oil. I just made that up. We applied our very own special degreaser on there like I told you earlier. It's not Zep. It's not some junk you're gonna get off the shelf at Lowe's, Home Depot, Menards, something like that. That's just not going to work. Small interior jobs, maybe that stuff will do it. But for black motor oil that's been on especially a textured surface for a long period of time, you're not getting that out. That's why you call in the pros, right? We took care of it. And like I told you earlier, that door is back to looking brand new, even with that new panel on it. Can't even tell, can you? Well, you could be next. All you got to do is just give us a call, whether you want your siding done, your garage door, maybe you got some mold and stuff on your roof, moss that you want cleared off. Don't worry about it. We can take care of it. Just give us a call. 231-412-2712.